Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What it do? What's up? If you can see, I'm in a different setting, a new setting, because I am filming in my studio. Apparently there's no aircon, so if I'm sweaty and shiny, I'm feeling the heat, but I'm not taking this bucket hat off because it's a look, it's a mood. Whew. I think we should christen this. Hold on. Alrighty. I started my channel with this candle, so I'm starting my first studio video with this candle. Just play intro. Cool, we're back. So I will do welcome to my YouTube studio tour thing another time. That's not the purpose of this current video. The point of this video is like I bought some roller skates online because I've been seeing so many like cool TikToks, people just skating on the promenade and the beach, and I'm like, I want to be one of those huns, okay? I want to do some choreography on the promenade, and so I bought some roller skates. I had saved money for a new tattoo, but then I just wanted this so bad. I was like, I'll sacrifice the money for this. And I ordered it on a Friday, it came on the Monday. I ordered it from malskateshop.com. Because of COVID, not all the skates are available, but you email her on her site, and she'll come back and order the skates that you want from wherever she orders them from. So I decided to get this. Super excited. So this is Rio Roller Skates. I really like this brand because it was one of the more affordable ones. I know about Rio, Impala, and Moxie. Moxie's way too expensive for the hun. And the Rio ones, all of them are vegan. It's a vegan friendly brand. So I was just like, hey, I'm all for it. I'm all for you. So lovely packaging, lovely box. I love that I can hold it here. And these are size 6. So these are called the Cream Rio, I think it's the Rio Rose collection. There's a cream one and there's a black one. And I got cream. So let's open these babies. Oh my god. The skates come in a pouch. Oh, okay. So they come in their own skate pouch, which is nice. I thought I'd have to buy a skate bag, but it's good to know that it came with one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. These are beautiful. What? Oh, these are beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. This is beautiful. Let me get the other one. Oh man. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. These are gorgeous. My word. And it came with a little card that says, get featured. Send us a photo with your new skates and you could be on our website. # Rio Roller. Thanks so much for choosing Rio Roller. Why do I keep saying Roller? You know, I'm actually craving chocolate maybe. And let the journey begin! Woo! Instructions, I will read them at some point, but I've watched so many YouTube videos on how to skate, so you're gonna see me flop. I was kind of hoping that they came with the mechanics, because I looked up that when you first buy skates, they're kind of tight, like the wheels are really tight, they're not gonna roll freely. Like, check this out, they stop. They're supposed to keep rolling, but they stop, which means they're a bit tight. The stopper is tight, so I don't need to adjust that. And these truck things over here are called trucks, and they're really tight. So that's gonna make me feel like skating in mud. I need to loosen them, but I don't have the mechanics. I know some skates companies give you like a free screwy thingy. I can't remember what they're called. I think let's call it a skating tool to fix it, but I don't have one. This box doesn't come with one, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to buy it online. Let's try to put these on. Look at that! Ooh! Ooh! I love this so much. This is so exciting. I have the one skate on, let me put the other one on. Wait, before I do that, let me put on my protective gear. So the issue, black girl problems. The issue is that I have locks, and that's an issue because I need like a large helmet, which is most likely not designed for black hair. Not that you can't get, but like I have to search for it and they're sold out or just hard to find. So I don't have a helmet yet. But I am planning to shave my head, so there's no point in me buying a helmet for my locks if I'm not gonna have locks. It's a waste of money. So I have the wrist guards, the elbow guards, and my knee guards. So I'm gonna put that now and then just be very careful about not hitting my head when I actually skate and pray for God. Pray for the heavens to forgive me and be with me, and hope I don't fall on my head at any point. Don't worry, I'm gonna try to skate again without a helmet anytime soon. And also, I know someone who can teach me how to skate too. So when the time comes, I will give you an update video on how I actually skate. The helmet and me doing all the moves and stuff. But you will see a sneak peek of me trying to be on my skates in this video. Now on to the second one. Now I'm all laced up, I'm gonna put on my guards. So yeah, let's go out and skate. Actually, I'll show you in the corner what it looks like me standing. Okay. Woo. Woo. What I've learned from YouTube is that if you don't feel balanced, bend. Okay, you gotta squat. Yeah, I'm on my skates. Now that you see me like on them, let's take it to the streets. It's a really good thing I did ballet because you've got to keep your feet in like an open, in first position basically, like turned out, and my feet naturally turn out. Like that's the ballerina in me. That's just how I walk, penguin. That's what I was told, and that's what you gotta do. Let's take it to the streets. Let's take it to the streets. Dad, can you help me? I don't know how to stop yet.
You need to stop straight for.
Be careful.
Okay.
Be aware that this thing's slant. It's not flat.
You gotta squat to steady yourself. That's what they will say. Oh my god, this is cute. Oh my god.
Proposing.
So this is a video featuring my dad, I guess. Hi Dad.
Hey.
He won't be on camera.
Okay. It's okay. That's the problem. It's flat.
I glided a little. I also need a tool too. Ooh, hi Wind. The wind is carrying you. Oh hi. Hi. Oh my god, this is cool. I just need a flat ground and training. Training. Let me try like skateboard. I tried. I'm go backwards, go backwards. Yeah. I not bad. That's not bad.
Use the wall when you go back. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Whoa!
Sorry. Got the wall. That wasn't too bad. That was good.
Yeah, it was okay.
What's up?
I'm filming. Do you want to be in the video?
Okay, but I was in the middle of a match, but I can wait.
Hold it.
Hi.
She tends to fall.
I've only fallen once, Dad. With your help, I fell.
You're doing really well.
I know. I just need some lessons.
Level 1 skating.
Yeah. I think I'm done for the day, honestly. I'm sweating. That was me trying to actually skate on level ground. I keep going for it. That was me skating on the streets. It's a bit more level than the pavement that I was on, so I was able to glide more. That really helps, but that was me trying on my skates, opening them up, testing them out. I'll see you with an update sometime, maybe next year. I don't know when I'm gonna get these lessons enough to actually prove to you guys I can skate for real. But I'm a beginner. Be patient. Alright, see you next time. Bye. Like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, blah 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 blah.